Jeffrey Ziadie and Aliana McMaster did not have things their own way in landing their respective titles at the recent Jackson Bay Sporting Clay tournament. Now it took a three-way shootout or shoot-off to determine the overall winner after the regular 100-bird shoot. Here's Denise Walters once again.
In the first Sporting Clay event on the Jamaica Ski Club calendar, Jeffrey Ziadie and Aliana McMaster outshot the over 100-strong field, consisting of the best shooters on the island, to capture the coveted titles of HOA, highest overall, and ladies champion respectively. Ziadie, McMaster and Peter Mafood each shot 92 out of a possible 100 targets and a further 8 targets during the tense shoot-off. Mafood picked up 4 to cup the runner-up spot. Then it was McMaster's turn, who bagged 3. The informed Ziadie, who had a very good 2025 season, having won the AA class in the Jack Links Cup in the USA, stepped to the station and stamped his class by picking off 6 birds and the bragging rights as HOA.
And doing well in the last year, in the top 5 for sure. And I ended the season last year with a win in one of the Christmas hampers or Christmas shoots. Haven't been practicing much, but the mental game with some work with Khalil Azan has really paid off, in today at least, where I shot well. I could have shot better, but I shot well, enough to get into a shoot-off, and I ended up coming out on top in the shoot-off, so I'm happy with my performance today.
An elated McMaster had her 3rd consecutive hold on 3 titles on the day. She won the ladies' A-class and junior titles.
Very grateful for just the opportunity to come out here and compete, and then just being able to come out on top. Additionally, there was some challenges that I did face on the course. However, I'm not really frustrated with myself that they did end up affecting me in the end. I just understand that that was a process that happened, and I gladly accept everything that has happened, and I'm honestly just happy to even just be here and participating and just being able to compete at a level where I could have been HOA.
Now there are 2 other shoot-offs for class champions. Rory Wilson bagged 5 out of 8 birds to take the B class ahead of Brian Kong, who shot 4. Both shot 87 in the main section. In the other shoot-off, Denzel Dixon 4 won the D class over Reese McMaster after they both shot 83 in the regular section.
Every year we try to raise funds towards the Portland Cottage Primary School, and we meet with them every year, try to see how it is we can help, and we put together contributions to try and meet those needs. We're a hunting club, we live in a community and operate in a community, and we must be part of the community, so we've always believed that we must help out.
The tournament was held at the Jackson Bay Club based in Portland Cottage, Clarendon. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.